My name is Michael Henshaw. I'll be your English teacher for the next 12 weeks and next 4 years, I suppose. In general, people call me Mike. I'm kind of casual that way because I feel like it's really important to communicate directly and freely in English so that you can develop your skills in a comfortable manner. I've been in Japan for about 15 years now, so even though I'm from America, I might not be able to tell you so many things about what's happening these days. But I've been here at Hokudai, Hokkaido University, for about maybe this is my 7th year now. Always teaching English just to the vet med and infectious disease school students here. So it's allowed me to specialize. I don't have any formal background in science. I'm more from the social sciences. But being here has let me focus and really learn more and more about the biological sciences and helped me realize that even though this place is called a vet school, it's really more like a cell school. So I'm still trying to get my head around cell biology and biochemistry, which is still a struggle for me. And I would love to ask for your help on things like that. Personally, I'm really into evolution and ecology, taxonomy. Maybe that's because I also love language, so I'm really into the way that people classify life. I don't know why. It's pretty nerdy, but I like that kind of stuff. And I enjoy getting outdoors, as you can see. Yeah, by the way, for these videos, I'll show you a different part of Sapporo, usually somewhere around this campus, especially as I'm welcoming students from around the world who were stuck in their home countries and not able to come and meet us in Japan right now. But hey, you know what? We're all in the same condition with regards to learning. So let's do our best with this new media. I suppose it might go up and down sometimes, figuring out how to communicate the right way with each other. For example, just yesterday, I did my first online live meeting on a platform called WebEx, which is like Zoom. And we'll be meeting like that in the coming weeks. Anything else to tell you? Maybe I'll say some of my hobbies. Yes, I like to get outdoors. I enjoy cycling, in particular mountain biking. I like to do any kind of sport, really. I like reading. So, yeah, that's probably about going to do it for me. Oh, let me tell you about my family. I've got a Japanese wife. That's what kind of is keeping me in Japan. And I've also got 2 boys, aged 7 and 5. Yeah, they are fighting more and more these days because of the coronavirus shutdown. We'll get into more of that later. In any case, I look forward to meeting all of you virtually.